Welcome. In this video, we'll share key features of the new Catalyst Practitioner Experience, a solution that equips you with everything that you need to deliver engaging everything DiSC on Catalyst programs that help people work better together. The Catalyst Practitioner Experience, also known as CPE for short, is your integrated facilitation system for everything DiSC on the Catalyst platform. It's designed to make your role as a practitioner easier, more flexible, and more impactful by combining your facilitation materials, learner insights, and ongoing training and peer support all in one place. As a reminder, Catalyst is designed as a complete ecosystem with 3 connected experiences that work together. There's the learner experience, where participants access their DiSC insights and continue learning beyond the workshop. Then there's the administrator experience, which makes it much easier to manage learners, assign assessments, and for reporting behind the scenes. And then there's the practitioner experience, and this is really where you, the facilitator, will spend most of your time. It's the set of tools, resources, and facilitation support that help you deliver engaging, high-impact sessions with confidence. In this playlist, we're going to spend most of our time talking on the practitioner experience. To get started and access your materials in the Catalyst Practitioner Experience, find your serial number in your email or contact us if you're unable to locate it. Then you can log into catalyst.everythingdisc.com, go to Account Settings, Practitioner Experience, and then enter your serial number. Here's another step-by-step view on where you can go inside Catalyst to activate CPE. On the left of your Catalyst platform, click on Account Settings, then Practitioner Experience, and then enter your serial number near the bottom. With Catalyst, you just don't gain access to facilitation tools. You unlock a system designed to help learners grow, teams thrive, and organizations perform at their highest level. For additional support, visit internalchange.com or reach out to support@internalchange.com. Thanks.